we have conducted a phase 2 study combining Carfilzomib with Pomalidomide, Dexamethasone, and Elotuzumab. And the basis for the study is we know that there's extremely high activity and good safety when you combine Carfilzomib with Pomalidomide and Dexamethasone, and recently there was an FDA approval for combining the monoclonal antibody Elotuzumab, Pomalidomide, and Dexamethasone. So we thought perhaps combining these as a foursome or quad would be highly effective in heavily pretreated myeloma. So we conducted a phase 2 studies with fixed doses of implicity or Elotuzumab, Pomalidomide, Dexamethasone, and Carfilzomib. We've seen very good activity and very encouraging activity in heavily pretreated patients, and to date we've treated about a dozen patients with many good responses, including a complete response, and we're very hopeful for this regimen to be used and developed further clinically.